In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to start a new game in The Crew 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly start a new in The Crew 2. Let's say you have a save with some progress, but you want to start from scratch, either because you already completed a save or you just want to restart and do different actions. Well, what you will notice is that even if you browse through all of the options, you go back to the title screen, you choose the settings of the game, inside or outside even, when you go over to your console settings and so on, there will be nothing related to restarting your save. This is because all of the saves in The Crew 2 are stored in the cloud on Ubisoft servers. They don't allow you to manually change the saves, so you won't be able to transfer them between different computers or sharing with a friend, and because of this fact that the servers are or the saves are stored in the cloud, it means that there is no direct way to start a new game in The Crew 2. Sadly, the only way in which you will be able to do this, which is an indirect solution, is to create a new Ubisoft account. Of course, this is very annoying because you will have to re-add all of your friends, and it might be a hassle to keep signing out and then back into different accounts. But because the saves are stored on the cloud and you are not able to modify your saves in any significant way, the only way to start a new game in The Crew 2 is by creating a new Ubisoft account. When you create a new Ubisoft account, you will be able to sign into it, and as long as you have never played The Crew 2 in that Ubisoft account, there will be no progress, so essentially you will be able to start over. But besides this method, where you create a new Ubisoft account, you will not be able to sign in and choose any options to restart your save at all. I hope I was able to help you on how to start a new game in The Crew 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.